buzzing. I found the GoPro. Been looking everywhere for it the last 3-4 days. We're back, so happy days. Hopefully get some good videos today of the works as I continue the restoration on the van.
I started already. Show me your van, man.
Right, so we're getting there slowly. I've taken everything out. The reason I've taken everything out, I'm starting all over again, is because I had a problem with the MOT. Obviously, this needs to be able to come in and out quicker. So I'm building this unit so it can be taken out with a few screws, rather than what I had before, which was basically one thing on top of the other, off top of the other. So, John boy, how's your trip been?
The trip's been very good, but I've been a bit disappointed with the weather. It's been bloody windy. Golf was good for 9 holes, 2 birdies.
It's going to be modular. That's the plan. That's the plan at the moment. So rejigging it. I need to see what coming in. I'll show you quickly the solar.
Very expensive. It's a rip-off in Spain to play golf, but it's high season, I suppose, and they've got the people with the money, so why not charge a higher amount?
Like the Reddies. This is all the electrical system. I've disconnected all the main cables, but what I'm going to do is I'm basically going to turn this around. So this is going to be here, but that's going to be fixed, and this unit will be separate electrically. Okay guys, that's it. Thank you. Gospacho para ti, amigo. Chupito. Un culito. Bang. Go. Down. Yes guys, what's going on? As you can see, new floor's going down. Solar system's now in, charging as we speak with the 2 panels. I'm just cutting this leg out so I can get this floor in. Going to bring this floor all the way across. We've got some rain coming today, so I've got up early to do yoga. It's a bit of sunshine, but I can see the clouds around. It's going to come down, I think. So I put the new floor down. This little bit here, it's not sticking that well, but generally getting there. So today's pose is Uddita Trikonasana, extended triangle. There is another version which we'll come on to next week, which is doing it in reverse, which is slightly more tricky. But this one today is an amazing pose. I really, one of my favourites, to be honest. Keeping your front foot pointed forward, the rear at a 90-degree angle. Bring your arms up level with your shoulders, with your gaze looking down your leading arm. Once again shown here from another angle. It's the last day I have the opportunity to utilise the apartment that my parents have rented, so I've got to get everything out of there today. When you're ready, inhale, bring your leading arm up. Then extend the arm forward, whilst also reaching it out. Keep the chest open as much as possible. Notice here my chest is a bit closed, could be better. Got someone interested in the van. He's bid me pretty much the same cash that I bought it for. I'm considering it because I just want to flip it. I want to change it, do something new. New project. Ideally I want to sell it with everything and just buy everything again. Start from nothing, start from scratch, but at the moment, yeah man, just going with the flow as always. Keep your gaze looking up to the sky. Gazing point looking down your middle finger. Hold here for 5 breaths before switching to the other side. Over time, working towards grabbing the big toe. Georgie boy, George, come on. Let's go, bro. Hey, and go. Georgie boy. Oh, he's marking. He's putting his mark down. Making sure to come out of the pose as you come into it, nice and slowly. Back to centre, namaste. Spoke about this before, but it's very easy to slide out of habits. I haven't been in the ocean this week. Don't know why. Maybe just because I've been really cracking on and busy with the van. But today I've got the wetsuit. I picked the wetsuit up from Bologna, so I've got the wetsuit, and I'm going to go in today. First time in a while. Christina, how have you enjoyed today's day out in Marbella?
It's been up and down, up and down. Angry people doesn't really interest me, but we made it.
A little bit stressful, but we managed to do it. We managed to get there slowly. I made sure that I started with yoga this morning. Sometimes I've been doing that after. This morning I started with the yoga, and now I feel warm, I feel ready to go. Getting in this ocean for the last few weeks without a wetsuit. This is going to be so easy. I'm not saying that because it makes such a big difference having a wetsuit. It's absolutely crazy, naturally. But yeah, glad to have the wetsuit back. Yeah, the water is still chilly, but compared to the other day when I was getting in, it was like hurting. I mean, I tell you, I can feel the cold, is I can feel it in my feet. Have a good week, guys. Here's to a productive Thursday. Let's go. Oh yes, baby. Yes, baby. That's what's just needed. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Slowly working towards 1,000 subscribers. Little bit of a flood that's been happening in the parking. Fuck me, this geezer ain't got much left until he's... Fuck me, bro. So guys, there's been a lot of rain the last day or two. As you can see from the car behind, it's not looking ideal, the weather, but I think there's a little bit more rain to come, so not going to be going anywhere at the moment whilst the beach is like this. Plenty of videos to check out now on the channel. Keep up to date with everything. If you haven't already checked out some of the other stuff of how I've ended up getting here, going through Italy, France, getting robbed, losing my passport, it's all on there. If you've got any ideas, guys, as to what you want to see in future vlogs, places you want me to visit, things you want to see more of, let me know in the comments below. I'm slowly seeing the results of continued work with the channel, that I've been putting the videos out regularly once a week now, getting into a routine. Latica, ¿qué pasa? Hey, ¿qué pasa? ¿Qué pasa? ¿Qué estás haciendo? Hey! Oi, oi, oi. Saturday's the day now. I'm going to keep putting them up. Just, yeah, as I said, documenting my journey for the week and just giving myself something to do as I, travel around the world. But it's been an interesting week or so, guys. Had family over, so it's been a bit of a change up. But yeah, slowly starting to get back on the road, starting to get back moving again. Van's slowly getting repaired, as you can see there from videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. Keep up to date with my journey, of course. There's plenty of videos now that I've got on the channel, on here on BitChute as well. I'm on there, so keep up to date, and much love, guys. Thank you.